Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Derby, local and long distance movers near me. Miles away from your existing property, we refer to this as a long distance relocation. It's important that the personnel we recruit are competent, have a high degree of discipline, and are honest, since we only want people who will treat our clients' items with care. Our movers can also help with the packing and organizing of your belongings on the truck that will transport them to your new home. Due to the high degree of experience and track record of successful services that we've had, we can promise you that all of our properties are in good hands. We are familiar with all state and federal highway rules. In addition, we have insurance coverage to protect us from any hazards that may arise during the migration. Residents of Derby may take advantage of our low-cost, local moving services. Our services are typically charged at a rate of $30 to $40 per hour. Despite the reduced distance, we do not make assumptions about local relocations. Instead, we approach the shift as if it were a long-distance relocation. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Derby Moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial, international, furniture, residential, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.